To celebrate Father's Day, I invited my dad to cook with me today. What is your favorite thing that I have ever made for you?
Buffalo chicken quesadillas.
Very nice, but they're barbecue chicken quesadillas. So fun. We got this recipe from Bobby Flay off of Food Network probably 30 years ago.
Wow.
I know. I did simplify it a little bit for your average home cook. We're going to make a buttermilk sour cream sauce. So I have sour cream, and if you want to put the buttermilk in, I'm going to do some fresh lime juice. I'm going to leave it up to you if you want to put all 3 of them in or just 2.
All right.
And then I'm just going to do a little bit of chili powder. I gotta open it first. I first made these for him it was probably about 30 years ago.
It was.
And we were going out to dinner. I don't know if you remember this. We were going out to dinner and I said, oh, I have some leftovers. Would you want to stay? And you said that was your favorite thing that night.
Yes.
Okay, you can mix that up. I'll go ahead and start this up and then we'll do the other sauce. We have store-bought pico de gallo. And this is where I think this is like what makes it so good, but it's very odd. It's balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
Did you know that was in there?
I did not.
Okay. So you're going to pour the balsamic vinegar. And like I said, yep, you can make your own pico. I just used the store-bought. And yeah, just mix it all together. And I feel like that's what gives it that little like something that makes it extra special.
It is extra special. That's
like
for sure.
you. Chicken that has barbecue seasoning on it. I'm going to give that to you. See, I get to boss you around for once.
That's right.
Oh, and there's that sizzle. One of my favorite things to make on the Blackstone are quesadillas because you can make them all at once. Throw down some tortillas. Maybe we'll shoot for 4 and then we'll see. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Shredded quesadilla cheese. Well, I just kind of use one and then just kind of like transfer it over this way. All right, we're going to do some barbecue sauce. And I feel like the best part is like the crispy cheese. I'll bring my 2 over, and then you can bring your 2 over. Very nice. Hey, cheers. You can drizzle or you can dollop, however you want to do it.
I'll drizzle.
Okay. The balsamic tomato relish, we'll call it.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good. Oh, it looks so good. Okay.
You've done it again.
Yeah. And for the taste test, I gotta say cheers to you and happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you too. Very good.
Just say it. I'm the favorite child, right? Just kidding. It is so good. Definitely got to make this and let me know if you do.